Hi guys, welcome back to OBS Bitesize. Today we're going to be looking at adding images and image rotators in OBS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That would be very helpful. And anybody else looking for simple solutions to OBS, simple tutorials, quick and easy ones, will find this video easier. So thank you very much. Okay, so today we're just going to add images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add an image to OBS. Now this could be anything from a webcam border to a small overlay, even this without the animation, maybe some bits and bobs. Now you can do this two ways. You can do it via Stream Elements as well and have it on there. Some people prefer that because they feel it uses less resources, or some people just like to grab the files directly from the PC and have it displayed all in one place. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to simply show you how to add an image first. So we're going to go into the sources within our scene. We're going to go to the plus sign, we're going to add image, and we're just going to call this webcam border. That'll be fine. We're going to go okay, that appears at the top, so that means this will show above anything else when it's on the top of the list here. We're going to go to browse, and we're going to just cam border. Okay, there it's sort of like previewed here, and it's already showing up in OBS. So we're going to hit OK, and we can move this around wherever we want and resize it if we like. Basically, normally my webcam's sort of in between this. It's slightly translucent, so it's not too encroaching on the rest of the scene under there. Okay, we can obviously resize this how we want, but the preview is, the preloaded one is the right size for me anyway. What we can also do in OBS is, say if you've got a few images you want to show at some point during your stream, maybe rotate a few images. They could be anything. They could be sponsors, they could be some events coming up, and you want to rotate those in like an image, maybe like a feed. What we do is we go to image slideshow, and we're going to keep this as image slideshow. We're just going to hit OK. Always play even when not visible. Slide mode is automatic, so that means it's how it's slid. You can use hotkeys to control the slideshow if you want. So what you do is you just bind some keys to hotkeys, and we'll get into hotkeys a bit later on in another video. You can change the transition from fade to swipe to slide to cut. So that's how the image comes in and disappears. So we're just going to leave it as fade, so the image fades out and then the new one fades in. You can change the timing between slides, so how much time each slide appears in milliseconds. You can increase or decrease that, and the transition speed, so how quick that transition is, so how quick the fade is in and out, and that's in milliseconds as well. We're going to loop these, and so say if you hotkeyed your slide because you wanted to control when it is, you probably untick loop and hotkey it, and it just, every time you hotkey and press a hotkey because you feel like you want to display those images, it will run through that slide, then end and disappear. If you want it to continuously loop, just bang that and it will continuously loop. You can randomize playback, so that will just mix up the order. Okay, and hide when slideshow is done. Basically, we'd tick that if we were hotKeying it and we just wanted to show it, and then it'd disappear once it's done, so the last image would fade out. What we're going to do is we're going to leave this to automatic. This is just basically the size, so we're going to leave that to automatic. But basically the idea is to keep it clean. What you do is maybe keep all your image files the same size, so that way it look a little bit cleaner when it's been displayed. So we're going to add our first file, and I'm just going to go, we're going to go to my pictures, I think, and we're just going to choose some random ones. Oh, picture of me. We'll whack that one in there. Hello, me. And then we'll add another one. Right, some previous events we've done with the Messel. We'll add a TMH banner that's well out of date now. And shall we just add a picture of Captain Marvel? Why not? Be a laugh, wouldn't it? And then we're going to smash OK. Okay, so as you can see, the image is there, and it fades out, and the other image comes in. Okay, we're going to move this more to the center. And the next one should come when the milliseconds are up. Oh, and there she is. Hello. And I'm not sure what... Oh, so I've had World of Warships open that long. It's gone back to the sort of standby menu in the background. And basically, guys, that is how you add an image, basic image, and an image slideshow to OBS. I hope this video has been helpful. If you've got any questions regarding OBS or just want to come and hang out and check out my stream, it's twitch.tv/DGUK. You can catch me on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from about 1 p.m. UK time. Thank you very much.